Hi, I'm Mackenzie Stetler, but you can just call me Kenzie. Um, I'm going to school for elementary education. I'm a sophomore this year at Winona State University. My favorite childhood book was this book called Stone Soup, and my dad used to read it to me every night. And it's basically about like sharing and like how when you can come together, something great really happens. But yeah, that was my favorite childhood book. Um, I don't really do much. I really just go to the beach, hang out with my friends, listen to music, go on drives. That's my kind of thing. Um, I'm pretty much I'll just do whatever, whenever. So, yeah. Um, I'm really looking forward to this class because I really like to read and I'm really excited to like kind of dig in deeper to these children's books. All right, that's all I got. Thank you.